you launch the Crew2 and you get the error, VCRUNTIME140.dll and MSVCP140.dll not found, this means that the DLL file is missing from your computer. So in this tutorial, we'll teach you how to download it and install it in a quick and easy way so you can launch the Crew2 in no time.
First, open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Download the x86 version. Now download the x64 version. Now run VC_redist x86. Accept the terms and then press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Now run VC_redist x64. Accept the terms and then press Install. Press Yes. Close the installer. Restart your PC to finish the installation.